This looks like a curry, but it's made from dal. Soft lentil dumplings cooked directly in a rich Indian gravy. Urad Dal, also known as split white lentils. So before we begin, a quick clarification here, especially for those who are new to Indian lentils. For today's recipe, I am using Urad Dal, the white lentils you see here. It's often confused with moong dal, which looks similar in shape and texture but has a yellow color. Both lentils behave quite similarly when soaked and blended. This comparison is just for understanding, so you know exactly what you are using and why. Before soaking, I always rub and wash it thoroughly until the water runs clear. This removes the dust and gives us a clean, smooth batter. I soaked 1.5 cups of urad dal. Overnight soaking is best, but honestly, urad dal is very quick. If you are short on time, 2 hours in normal water is more than enough. In hot water, it softens beautifully in just 1 to 1.5 hours. That's all you need. Once soaked, drain it completely and transfer it into a blender jar. Add very little water, barely 2 tablespoons. We want a thick paste-like batter, not runny, not watery. The batter should be smooth but dense. Now let's season the batter. Salt to taste, finely chopped coriander or cilantro leaves, green chilies as per your spice level, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Asafoetida is very important with lentils. It aids digestion and enhances flavor. Now keep the batter aside and let's start making the gravy. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. First, add a couple of bay leaves. Next, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them roast for a few seconds until they turn slightly brown or aromatic. Now, add 1 heaped teaspoon of grated ginger and saute it briefly. Before adding powdered spices, lower the flame completely. On low heat, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and a pinch or about 1/3 teaspoon garam masala. Roast these spices gently on low flame so they don't burn. Now add fresh tomato puree. I have blended 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Mix everything well and add salt at this stage. Salt helps the tomatoes cook faster and release oil. To make sure nothing goes to waste, take a little water in the same blender jar, swirl it around and add that into the pan as well. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This adds a beautiful color without making the curry too spicy. Saute everything on medium heat until the tomatoes cook properly and the oil starts separating. Then add about 1.5 glasses of water. Stir well, cover the pan and let it come to one boil. Covering helps it boil faster, but you can also cook it uncovered if you prefer. Then once the gravy starts boiling, it's time to add the dumplings. Using the prepared urad dal batter, start dropping small portions directly into the bubbling gravy. The size should be roughly like baby potatoes, not too small, not too big. After dropping all the dumplings, give it one gentle stir only. Then lower the flame, cover the pan and let the dumplings cook. Since the batter is finely blended and dumplings are small, 8 to 10 minutes is enough for them to cook perfectly. Do not keep opening the lid. Let them steam and cook gently. After 8 to 10 minutes, open the lid. You'll see the dumplings are fully cooked, soft, fluffy and soaked with flavor. Then finish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves or cilantro and the curry is ready. Who knew you could make such a rich and comforting curry using just dal? If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Soumya. See you next time. Bye-bye.